Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the unique and healthy recipes. In this video, let's make dry deodorant with nice fragrance. Baking powder. Baking powder has the quantity of removing bad odor from the underarm. Cornstarch. Cornstarch dehydrates. It functions to keep your underarm dry. This is an already made white powder. I'm adding this because of its fragrance. One spoonful of baking powder. One spoonful of cornstarch. It has to be of equal measurement. One spoonful of white powder. The ingredients are all dry. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. You can use a fork or whiskers. Some people use liquid fragrance. Extra fragrance is optional. It usually forms lumps. Scoop into an airtight container, like this one, with holes for easy dispense. Scoop into a container and cover it up tight. Feel free to ask questions. Drop your comments below. Kindly like this video and please subscribe. You can apply it directly to your underarms or use a makeup brush.